Alright, so today we're going to be working on an inverse that's a little harder. This is similar to worksheet 3, number 19 for your homework this evening, so hopefully this will help out a little bit with that one. So again, we'll start out by changing f of x to y. And remember, when you do the inverse, you want to switch your variables, so we'll go ahead and do that. And now we are solving for y. So I'll start by adding the 2 over, and I'll just switch these sides here. And dividing by 8. And then since we have y to the 4th, in order to get the y by itself, we will need to take the 4th root. Keep in mind, because this is an even root, we will need a plus or minus. Also keep in mind that this 4th root is going over this entire thing. Okay, that's a big deal. Some people forget that the radical will go onto the bottom as well. So now I'm just going to break this radical up. Okay, let's not forget about our plus or minus either. That's easily forgotten. And also we have this 8. It's going to be really beneficial if you rewrite that 8 now. Otherwise, chances are you're going to have things that can come out of your radical later after we rationalize, but you're not going to remember to do so. So I'm going to rewrite the 8 as 2 cubed. And now we will need to rationalize. If you want, we can go back to exponent form. What's really important, though, is that you rewrite this, if you decide to do exponent form, as x plus 2 to the 1/4 power. This is not x to the 1/4 power plus 2 to the 1/4 power. No, no. Think of FOIL. You can't just do that. It does not work. Please do not do that. Okay? Or just leave it in radical form and don't write it with an exponent at all. This is over 2 to the 3/4. All right, time to rationalize. So we will complete this by multiplying by 2 to the 1/4. And now, since these both have a 4th, or a denominator of 4, you can just go straight to a 4th root. Let's not forget our plus or minus, though. And this 2 is going in front of the x plus 2. Basically, it's distributive property. Now, if you want, you can write them as 2 4th roots first, and then times them together, but you're still going to have to distribute. On the bottom, we'll have a 2. And then finally, we will actually distribute that out. And this is equal to the inverse of f of x. Look at that. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Remember, worksheet 3, number 19. Give it a try. Have a good one.